Okay, let's see what happened. That's what happened. I'll put a little butter on the top. You know, I switched to butter. I think the worst thing for me is the no carbs. Okay, so this is a good little delicious loaf of bread. Let me cut it. Ah, yummy. So, you know, when it's this easy to make, it takes a minute, you know? And then I buy this jam at 99 cents only. I find they have good flavors. You know, I make cookies sometimes, you know, like, oh, yummy. This is the best jam. If you have 99, if you can find very likable jam. All right, let me give you a close-up. I'll taste this. This bread was made with raw sugar. I'm going to be using the raw sugar in all kinds of things. For one thing, you need less. And then this is my leftover peppermint tea. You know, if I drink the tea with ice cold, I don't need sugar. I bought these adorable stones. I've been using them a lot. I have a feeling I'm going to wreck them, but that's okay. They're only $1. Let me give you a look at my beans. Far from done. They're going to take hours. Okay, this is good. Try this. If you've never tried bread, just follow the recipe. Okay, God bless you all.